Okay, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to complete the Chapter 8 assignment for the book The Lord of the Flies for our 8th grade ELA class. So make sure you're in our 7th period ELA class. And then you're going to want to scroll down to Quarter 4, Week 6 of Lord of the Flies. You want to open up the Chapter 8 assignment. You're going to need to scroll down, click View Assignment or View Details. It's Teacher View. Okay, so first thing it says here is remember what happened in Chapter 7 by watching this video. So you can click here and it's going to open up this short video for you to watch. This is an ad, but anyway, we want to watch this video. It's going to just quickly remind you what happened in Chapter 7. And then first, read through the glossary and insert a picture to represent each word. Second, read or listen to Chapter 8 of Lord of the Flies. Third, answer the comprehension questions by backspacing the ... and completing the sentence. All right, let's open up the Google Doc and get started. So again, they have that review video there if you want to make sure that you have a chance to watch it. And then we just read those same directions, so I'll read them one more time. Read through the glossary and insert a picture to represent each word. Then read or listen to Chapter 8 of Lord of the Flies. And last thing, answer the comprehension questions by backspacing the ... and completing the sentence. All right, we're in the glossary. Read through the glossary, insert a picture to represent each word. Our first word here is rebuke. To quickly show someone disapproval. So I need to insert a picture. I'm going to insert, image, search the web. It's to quickly show someone disapproval. So it's like when you say that curse word, your mom just stares at you. I'm going to do mom stare. See what comes up. So now these are all nice, pretty pictures, but I'm going to do this one. It's the idea that you're quickly ashamed because your mom glares at you because she sees you're doing something you're not supposed to be doing. And she quickly is just telling you you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing. It's a quick rebuke or a quick way to show someone disapproval, that you don't approve or you don't like what someone just did. Okay, a parody is to mock the style of something. So I immediately think of, for me, is the parody artist, Weird Al, but you definitely can look up many different other parody artists if you know a different one. I'm spelling weird wrong. You look up Weird Al and see, put in a picture of him. Because he's a parody. That's his whole thing. How he makes money is he mocks something. He mocks the style of things or the style of different musics and things. That's how he became famous, was just mocking things. Okay, what's our next word? Yeah, again, your pictures don't need to be big, but you don't need to make them that small either. But okay, derision is again to insult or mock. Again, they are usually doing this to make fun of Peggy. So image, insert image. So I'm gonna type in bullying again. You know, that's a big theme we constantly see throughout this book is the bullying or that someone that's stronger or feels that they have power can abuse other people in the group. Okay, demure, to be very mature or reserved. Okay, find your own picture for that. Your pictures don't need to be the same as mine for the first few. I just wanted to show you what you were doing. Then our next word is favor, intense and passionate feeling. Or fever. So I have this fever. I gotta go get the new Billie Eilish album. You have a fever. You have this intense and passionate feeling. Jack has fever to go and kill a pig. Cynicism, negative thinking. They are only in it for themselves. The idea that people only care about themselves and they don't care about other people is cynicism. Okay, find a picture for that. Elusive, to be hard to talk to. Jack is being elusive. He doesn't want Ralph to talk to him. He's just walking away from him whenever he tries to come talk to him. All right, tremulous, to shake or quiver. You're so cold, you're tremulous, or you're so nervous, you're tremulous, waiting to give your speech. It's just to shake or quiver. Okay, or the ground was tremulous as the earthquake began, All right, again, put in a picture there. Okay, the second thing you need to do is read or listen. Okay, so click here and it opens up the PDF for you to read Chapter 8, Gift for Darkness. Piggy looked up miserably from the drawn pale beach to the dark mountain. Okay, and if you want help reading, you can also click here. I have a YouTube video of somebody reading it to you. Again, I recommend having this playing and then following along here as that's playing. So you should have the PDF open, the audio file open, and your assignment open. You should have all these tabs and keep them open while you're completing this whole assignment. Right now, I recommend pausing this video and going and reading Chapter 8. Okay, so at this point, you should have read or listened to Chapter 8, and now we're going to start the questions. Direction. Answer the comprehension questions by backspacing the ... and completing the sentence. 1. The boys now believe that the beast exists and that they have proof. In your opinion, how will this change things on the island? The fact the boys believe in the beast is real will change things by, or the fact the boys believe in the beast will not change things because. So you tell me how you feel about that. Question 2. When Jack calls a vote to get rid of Ralph as chief, none of the boys raise their hands. Why do you think they don't respond, yet they sneak off and join Jack later? I don't think the boys respond. I think the boys don't respond because they join Jack later because. Tell me why. What do you think that's about? 3. Explain the importance of the Lord of the Flies. So the Lord of the Flies is that the pig that Jack kills, they take the head of it and they put it on the spear and they put the spear on the ground, so they have this weird dead pig on his head on a stick statue thing, and all these flies are buzzing around it. It's called the Lord of the Flies. Why is it important? What does it represent? Are the boys civilized still? What does this pig head on a stick represent? Okay, in your own words, explain what the Lord of the Flies communicates to Simon. The Lord of the Flies talks to Simon and says, what does the Lord of the Flies say the boys are going to do to Simon? He says to Simon, watch out. All right, if you have any questions about this assignment, always feel free to reach out or come to office hours or come to English class and say, hey, miss, I need help with Chapter 8. Good luck with this assignment. Bye.